Hello, this is Christopher from the Sony Xperia fan channel and the Sony Xperia forums. We'd just like to discuss about the adaptive brightness issue. People saying that the phone is not bright enough in direct sunlight. Well, the reason for that is I've got a workaround, and the reason for that is that in the past, Sony Xperia phones in the past, we always turned off adaptive brightness off, because let's face it was a pain in the backside and it didn't let your screen display to its full brightness. Now it's needed if you're going to use the phone in direct sunlight, because what happens, it turns it up brighter than the actual brightness slider allows. So I think it's about 450 nits, maybe a bit more, without the adaptive brightness on. However, with it on, with it engaged, it's over 700 nits, and it's easily visible in direct sunlight. So the way you do that is you go to your settings, if you can find it in the amount of stuff I've got installed here. Go to settings and you go to display. Then you go to make sure brightness level is at full. Then you go to adaptive brightness and make sure that's on. Okay, once you've done that, okay, you then got the brightness level sorted out. Okay, hope to see you in the Xperia forums or on the Xperia fan channel soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.